Your shadow walks faster than you. You don't really know what to do. Do you think that you're not alone? You really think that you're immune to it's gonna get the best of you. It's gonna lift you up and let you down. It will defeat you, then teach you to get back up. After it takes away all that you learn to love. Your reflection is a blur, out of focus but in confusion. The frames are Sunday burn. At the end of a roll of delusions, a ghost waiting his turn. Now I can see right through. It's a warning that nobody heard. It will teach you to love what you're afraid of. After it takes away all that you learn to love. But you don't always have to hold your head higher than your heart. You better hope you're not alone. 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 You better be hoping you're not so. Hope you're not alone. Your echo comes back out of tune. Now you can't quite get used to it. Reverb is just the room. The problem is that there's no truth to it. It's fading away too soon. Your shadow is on the move, and maybe you should be moving too. Before it takes away all that you learn to love. It will defeat you, then teach you to get back up. 'Cause you don't always have to hold your head higher than your heart. You better hope you're not alone. You better hope you're not alone. You better hope you're not alone. You better be hoping you're not alone. You better hope 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 you're not so. Hope you're not alone. Better hope. Better hope you're not alone. In my review, I watch you watching the twilight behind the telephone lines with nothing to prove or to assume. Just thinking that your thoughts are different than mine. In my review, I watch you and I gave you your life, but you give me mine. I see you slowly swim away as the light is leaving town to a place that I can't be. But there's no apologies, just go on, just go on. There's still so many things I wanna say to you, but go on, just go on. We're bound by blood that's moving from the moment that we start, from the moment that we start. Watch the shadows of the clouds and the surface of the ocean, out the window of a plane. I get nervous when I fly, I'm used to walking with my feet. Turbulence is like a sigh that I can't help but overthink. What is the purpose of my life?